Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Hot 50 Pro Plus, and today I will show you how you can import your contacts from the SIM card to the device. To get started, you will want to open up your standalone contacts application, like this one right over here. Next, click on this gear icon right in here, and we want to select Import Export Contacts. Select where you want to import contacts from. As you can see, there is several different options for me, but I'll be doing that from my SIM card, which is this option right here, Model Vikings apparently. And then it asks me automatically where I want to import these contacts to. I have two options, a Google account that is signed in on the phone and the phone itself. I'm gonna select phone. This will then display all the contacts that are located on my SIM card, as that is what I have selected, and I can quickly select all of them on the box right here at the top. Maybe I want most of them. I can deselect some that I don't want, and next we can just click on OK. This will then import all selected contacts, and when you go back you should be able to see them in your list. That's about it. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.